Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so now. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it at the end of the video. And I wanted to share key takeaways from our yesterday session that David Vose and I did in the preparation for the FERMA Risk Forum in Copenhagen. And we talked about how, well, there were kind of the two key messages. First, qualitative risk management is not risk management, it's astrology. And I think the sooner we kind of move beyond that, the sooner we can start actually making money and saving money through better actual risk management. So quantitative is really the only type of risk management that it can be called risk management. It's like champagne, unless it's quantitative, don't call it risk management, call it sparkling risk management. And the second point that we talked about is how once you move towards quantitative, there are three levels of risk analysis, just like in financial services, just like in Basel regulation, just like what the central banks promote across the world. There are three levels. There's the basic level, the standardized level, and the advanced. And the basic level, and this is very important, so I'll be doing a lot more videos on this topic because this is groundbreaking stuff. Because every level has a different set of techniques used to produce risk analysis, and different level solves different kind of decisions or problems. For example, if you want to talk about choosing between different mitigation options, you cannot do that, physically cannot do that at the basic level. If you want, or if you need precision in your risk analysis, then you cannot physically do it at the basic or standardized level, and so on. And so three levels, what are they? Basic, it's taking your existing risk register and making it stochastic to generate a loss exceedance curve. You can then prioritize risks using a tornado diagram and replace your heat map with a loss exceedance curve and a tornado diagram. Standardized is using kind of simple generic templates to capture a little bit more detail about each of the risks, and so it's time consuming, so you wouldn't do it for all of the risks, but you would take the most important risks and you would do that. And bow tie diagram, stochastic bow tie diagram, seems to do the job best, so it's probably the easiest technique to apply at the standardized level. And then advanced implies that you build purpose-built quantitative models for specific problems. For example, we had a calculator, a specific model for environmental risks, for different kinds of pollutions. And then we had a separate calculator for insurance risks. So you plug in the claims data and it already calculates everything because somebody, a generator, a risk manager, created this calculator and backtested the calculator and kind of looks after the performance of the calculator. So, three levels of quantitative risk management. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this, and share please with your coworkers.